So, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be doing pretend play of these fidgets. So yeah, three in three, two, one.
Sorry about that noise.
Three, two, one, go, go. Okay, sorry guys, that is Turtles. You know Turtles, right guys? Let's go into her teleport. Turtles is here. Turtles is here. Oh my gosh. Teleport. Guys, so my new favorites, these fidgets, right? Because I'm gonna be selling them, like what I told. Yeah. So we're gonna be selling them. Yeah. Okay. So
Now we don't know how to draw about because of you.
So guys, first we'll be testing these fidgets. Of course, guys, there's some parts here because we're gonna make a lot of videos. But this is just part one, starting of the episode. Okay, but I think this is good. This is nice, yeah. How about this? By the way, guys, I want to tell you, these are part of the video, okay, guys? That we're also going to be selling broken fidgets, but just don't.
Just ignore that.
Yeah, ignore. Okay, guys, I think this is actually a good puppet. It's super loud. And this is my assistant, Avu.
Hello.
And my other assistant, Hannah.
Hello.
Okay, that's my other assistant. Go test out some of the fidgets that I ordered.
Guys, pretend play.
Yes.
Sorry about that noise. So, let's test the rabbit.
Wow, very loud. I would recommend this shop, guys.
Now, let's test this rabbit. Guys, let's test this rabbit. Let's go.
Yeah, guys, so this is the only fidgets we ordered.
That puppet.
But don't worry, guys, we're gonna order more fidgets. Yeah, guys. Of course, we will restock them. Yeah, guys. So tomorrow we're gonna go get all the things we need, and these are just my house, guys. I will buy a shop too. So yeah. So let's go. Bye.